Today market completely it's in a stupid way. Better avoid trading today. Better don't trade today. Actually, yesterday also it wasn't good, but today it's more worse than yesterday. Yeah, today I fixed it to 10 points. Once 10 points reached, I close it. Otherwise, I may get minus also. But as of now, I'm in profit. Today, four times it's fluctuated up and down. Four times. Four times fluctuated means it's very huge. So, better to avoid today. That's why I kept only 400 quantity today. BEL better today. Nifty 88 points in left side. Sensex also 258 points in upper side. But even the market not is moving good. Morning when market was opened, immediately it goes raised, and within 10 minutes again it goes down. Again within half an hour it goes up. Again within half an hour it goes down. Nifty Sensex both are in positive way, but little bit. But all company prices will be fluctuated continuously volatile up and down, up and down. I think for last 4 to 5 months, this is the first time I seen the market in this way. If loss come, okay, no problem. If profit come, it's happy to us. But no loss, no profit also good. But in this scenario, we can't tell whether it is loss. It is going profit side, it is going loss side. Actual time is as of now 10, quarter to 11. I started at 9:15. Nearly 1.5 hour. I have been sitting in front of the system for above 1.5 hour. Even though it is only how many points? 7 points as of now. If it gives loss also, I would have I felt happy. But goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Better avoid trade today. Are you guys, please? I took tomorrow onwards. I just want to start with 1,000 quantity. Tomorrow onwards, if market, I wanted to thought like that, but yesterday and today's market also um, behaves same. So I need to think. At least I thought this week, mid of this week, I wanted to keep 1,000 quantity, because with 400, 500 quantity, it's not good for me. I think I feel it's time waste. So if I can put 1,000 or more than 1,000 quantity, I can get some good profit. Otherwise, it's time taking, time waste. Let's say tomorrow if market is moving in good manner, then I will keep at least 700 quantity. This 400, 300 quantity is not good for us. last week and before last week is not good, before last week is okay, but this week also is going same manner. Still it is in 7 points, 400 into 7. At least it gives 20 points, we will be happy. But today, I think I feel it gives today at least it goes for loss, maybe 2,000, 3,000. As of now, we are in 3K profit side. I think if we can stay up to evening, it gives mostly 2 or 3K minus today. The other reason I fixed it to 10 points today. It gives 10 points, 400 into 10. It gives, I just want to close it. Otherwise, we need to see the loss. We may see the loss. Small profit. I think it's stuck. BEL better today. It gives 4 points. Check. If I think that I wanted to do something at any time, then it gives it moves in reverse. Actually, tomorrow onwards, I just want to place 1,000 quantity minimum. Thereafter, I just want to increase the quantity. But today, it's like this. Yesterday also, market wasn't good. Today not good. Today is worst and worst. Nifty in 82 points. Sensex is 234. Even though it is in, you know what happened? Actually, I placed today. I think 11 or 12 companies today. I placed. Out of 11 or 12 companies, half of companies in positive side, half of companies in negative side. So I am in neutral side, no loss, no gain, like that I am staying here. So that's the reason today I didn't get any profit. Even now 7 points. Unpredictable what happened. Nifty 88, Sensex 267. Okay, better it increase 1 minute. If 10 points, 400 into 10, I just want to close it. Okay, again it goes down. Again it goes down. Once 4K reach, I will close. I think I am expecting today 2 or 3K loss today. It goes down surely. Generally, I am following 1 is to 4 ratio, sometimes 1 is to 3 ratio also. But today I am following 1 is to 1 ratio. Today, yes. No, 1 is to 2 ratio today. 4K, if profit 4K, if loss 2K. So 1 is to 2 today. Because there is no movement in market. Based on that movement only we need to decide which ratio need to follow. Every day we can't follow 1 is to 4 ratio. Yesterday I followed 1 is to 3 ratio. Okay, again it goes up. Let's see. Today I'm not going to come on to the WhatsApp because what should I do by coming on to the WhatsApp? To come on the online, we can't do anything. Market is not predictable. That's why I'm recommending you better to avoid trade today. Better to avoid. So once it is the 10K points, I will close the session and I won't come to the online today. So no one send message on WhatsApp please today. Better to avoid today. One day is not a matter. Better to avoid the trade today. Getting sleepy because of the 1 minute. I just want to close. Thank you.